Let's turn Up by Karina into a 2000 swag track. Well, a very futuristic swag. Here's the original track. Let's isolate the vocal. And time to add some chords. Just a simple 1-5 progression. Let's add some effects. And add a top line melody. We can really chop this up to add that swag bounce. Here's the bass line. We need a ton of slides and movement for this genre, and we can add a pad at the end. Both of these sounds are from my plugin Grain-X4. Fat drums. This has a dope swag swing to it. I added a ton of effects because I want my drums to stand out on their own. Roll up every weekend. I'm thinking that this harmony is missing something. A high pitched lead to sit on top. So fine, like and now we can hear what a K-pop track sounds like in the style of 2000 swag. Let me know what you think of this in the comments. If you want access to Grain-X4, which is currently 70% off to only $29.99 and contains over 400 presets, then check the link out in the description or my bio.